Welcome to my channel. I'm here with another exciting course recommendation. This course is designed for beginners with no prior programming experience, who want to start learning Python. Through clear explanations of core topics like variables, functions, and control flow, you'll build confidence in solving problems and writing simple programs. It helps you start your journey into the world of programming, with motivation and a solid structure. With over 26,000 students, and a rating of 4.4, this course has proven to be both useful and effective. The current price is around €20. When you purchase the course, you gain full access to all materials and future updates. The course duration is 6.5 hours, and you'll receive a certificate upon completion. Here's what you'll learn in this course. Go from zero to hero, with clear explanations, hands-on exercises, and real-world examples. You'll build a solid foundation in Python, even if you've never written a line of code before. Become a problem-solving ninja. Learn how to apply your newfound Python skills to solve coding challenges, and create your own simple programs. Build your confidence. This course is designed to be fun and interactive, keeping you motivated as you progress on your coding journey. Now I want to offer you this valuable course completely free and legally. To see how you can access it, first subscribe to our channel, and add this video to your watch list. Then open your browser and go to Google, and type in discountedcourseninja.com. Click on the link from the results. Make sure the website address matches what's shown here. You should be redirected to discountedcourseninja.com. Once on the homepage, you can explore various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find the course you're looking for, or browse the category section to explore your preferred topics. Once you locate this course, scroll down and click the button labeled Get the Coupon. Your coupon will be activated and the course will be free for you. Note that the coupon has a time limit, so with just a few clicks, you've gained legal, free access to the course. If this video was helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.